Hello and welcome to Tech Unmasked. You have purchased your new D-Link router M921 and want to know how to set it up? Let's get into it with this easy setup tutorial. In the package, we have the router itself, a 12 volts power adapter with two connectors, a 2-pin and a 3-pin connector, and an Ethernet cable. So, we flip the router around to be able to open the lid at the bottom of the router. Gently press down and slide the SIM card holder to the right and open the flap. Insert SIM card with the golden side facing down. Close the flap and slide the SIM card holder back to the left to close the lid. When you're done with this part, now it's time to switch on the router and set up. So, we connect the cable to LAN port 1 at the back and plug the other end into the Ethernet port on the computer. Connect the power cord onto the router and turn on the router. The power LED will show up to indicate that power has been successfully supplied to the router. After a few moments, the following LEDs will turn solid blue. 1. The Ethernet, and that will be Ethernet 1 depending on the port we used. So yeah, port 1 will be active. 2. The Wi-Fi LED will light up to show that Wi-Fi is active. Then 3. The LTE LED light will also light up to show that the SIM card has been detected and the router has internet access. So all this will take about 30 seconds to initialize in general. And when it's done, now let's get ready to head over to change the Wi-Fi name and password to what we desire. As we can see, our network is active, so we're going to open the web browser of your choice. In this case, I'm going to use Chrome. And in the address bar, I'm going to type 192.168.0.1, which is used to access the router's administrative panel. Okay. And we have to log in. Here we type the username and password. These can be found at the back of the router, but in this case the username is admin and the password is admin. So as we can see, we have internet access. Here we head over to settings. Under settings, we tap the Wi-Fi button. Here we look for the SSID section, which will be the name of the wireless network. So you're going to select and input a name of your choice. When done, hit save and apply. After that, we head over to security. Here we are able to change the password to our desired password. So under the selected SSID, our created name is automatically selected, like you can see. So now we head over to the section where we input our password. So now that is done, you can hit save, and yeah, very simple. Now your network is set. At this point, you can unplug your Ethernet cable and connect via Wi-Fi. You can go on to connect any device you want, from phones to smart TVs, your laptops and everything. So if this video helped you set up your router or enlightened you in any other way, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe as soon as you can. Thank you for watching Tech Unmasked.